still got my money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crusty. That will change soon, hopefully. We'll see. So since you guys seem to really like my last what I eat in a day, I decided to make another one because why not? And this one is a little bit healthier. So basically I'm trying to go on this like healthy journey thing, or healthier journey, because my current diet is literal garbage. So I'm trying to change that. Yesterday I had spinach in my eggs, and if you know me, I don't do spinach, but it was actually pretty good. So I think I'm gonna make that today, and I do have to meal prep too, so I feel like it's the perfect opportunity. Another go-to breakfast of mine is oatmeal. Y'all, I know I did oatmeal in my last what I eat in a day, so I'm doing eggs today, but oat milk is that girl. Wow, it's changed my life. I used to use almond milk. No shade to almond milk, but you're nasty. I was trying to be healthy, you know, not drinking like cow milk. I do drink cow milk occasionally, but you know, trying to be healthy, so I drink plant-based milk. I can't do almond milk. I tried oat milk for the first time last week, and oh my gosh, amazing. Like, my life has been changed. Like, it's just good. It's so good. Like, it's just good. So if you're in the market for a new plant-based milk, try oat milk. And ooh, sorry, I just got really excited. I'm also gonna make some chia seed pudding. I'm excited. So time to make breakfast because your girl is hungry. Let's go make my eggs. Okay, so it's 10:25 right now. I'm gonna eat my food, and I'll talk to you guys later. I know the angle kind of sucks, but I'm so hungry and I don't know what I want, so I'm just gonna have these multigrain tortilla chips. Eventually I'll figure out what I want to actually eat. I know it's not an actual meal, but I'm so hungry. When I'm this hungry, I can't think of what to eat. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Sorry, I have my headphones on. I just had food maybe like 30 to 40 minutes ago. Like I just finished and I wanted to get more. And my mother made me some rice balls with peanut butter soup. I've eaten so much today, but I think I'm gonna head to the gym later tonight. Even if it's like super late, it's not a big deal to me. And I might film my workout too, so you'll see that on my Fitsta. Be up on the screen. I'm gonna eat now, I'm still hungry.